Me
Now we can Nico saying,
oh, no, okay.
Okay.
And Rana Junaze, ECG for an ammunition more yet.
And ready.
Minimum no more. So much I almost saying for
And not any serious. Person, I know they.
No penalty or more. PRO no love FM. Na no kaso munya afford kakra. I hope say bia your war say enclave mu ha no. A be really sick kakra man because I know they outrageous.
Yeah, too bad.
Yeah. And also it's 1,000 Ghana cedis. Into for I mean yakasa. And very important because see I know free money and it's a ujani kwa maneko. And we been here chowa. A coin will be team free money bini a star 281 hash check from schools can you know. Ye star 281 hash now pop up in the back. Which is in share from option. No what you see number of tickets are so but could be an chow it's just 5 Ghana cedis. Now the woman say trek a 12 be a DB how you be selfie at the end of the person be DB then I'm with me I'm a DB tricking a woman say ucha the more increasing chances. I mean akwa say wo to ade egu nso na pay bibi no the more the gum the more chances no e cost so betimi a win ntimi show wo betimi atwa no dodo so betimi atwa no dodo se ne be ya o chances so be win no bibia be kama igama rich Barca for have gone to the next level of growth and Unza semu makanu be 5, 6, 7 times. Say the natural characteristics of Blaugrana phone, Barcelona phone, and yet dig deep, and yet yeah down. It's not Barca phone a total dominant team. Omochiwani I saw 4, 5, 6. The Barca that we saw those times, even from Pep Guardiola Barca. Yes, Obubenya issues kakra after Luis Enrique, so managers so go for Breba and Koye. Then, for me, since Xavi, especially the new school Barcelona, they seem to have a way of ultimately digging deep in your results here. And Rich, for me, it was really important for the weekend because still, on the Spanish La Liga table, no, Barca was 60 points, Madrid was 60 points, Barca at this point in time, I mean 60 points all on them. Then you look at the number of games that I can see about 10 more games to go over there, and a clear in terms of games that you any match because so rich. It started from the Saramicas. Abrana, yeah, the pre-match analysis now. One of the first things that we said, and he said, Madrid phone air away to Villarreal or Saramicas onuma. Since the season 2017-2018 season, I'm moving for a win on them. So I'm calling my head. Eric, so Libya. You could tell say Marcelino in the Mantiano really wanted to hold on to that record. In fact, until Sadi Deportivo Alaves game no more losing by a goal to 0, they have not lost our Saramicas in about 5 games on a trot. It's a Madrid team, a Villarreal team, no me very stable with you. More results and then staying afloat because in and around 6th position on person combo next season Europe for representing country friend Spain, it was important. Yeah, starting match now just like we expected. Villarreal for the country first goal, a goal mouth melee, and me may say the time of start. Me they got to Villarreal were up by a goal to 0. I'm saying, we said it. We said it. Madrid Fono are about to let Villarreal Fono dominate and then get the goal and then make it difficult for them. Rich. Then, in the same half over there, Abrantia, your friend, killing Luton Mbappe. It was a starting 11, no. Ancelotti making changes, kaka. But killing Luton Mbappe was still in there. Of course, on the day, the difference maker for team and friend in Madrid, Brahim Diaz Babeshebu in place of Vinicius Jr. A Chirodum because of Rudiger issues. Nietzsche means that she made a call back to centre back El Honum Bib. Then he had a branch friend Fran Garcia and then Federico Valverde completing the back four. Rodrigo, Vinicius, branch friend Brahim Diaz, and Kylian Antonio Mbappe, Emeki up for, and it was a very good 4-4-2. Unza Mekacho say Madrid going into this. There is a very high likelihood so I'm going to come back into a 4-4-2. Very compact, and they did. Which Madrid needed a difference maker on the day. And then almost share away at a ground that aired in for them to get results. They normal cut down by a goal to 0. they needed somebody to be complete in the box. And Rich, 2 goals in the enya chance Kessia afforded to kill Mbappe. The first goal, now a pinte boxing and falling to him. Then he's got a goal. The second one, it went outright. Brahim Diaz a catching on the Banechi. Jude Bellingham was in a better position. All Tiamo catching Mbappe say, Jemu Mami. Mbappe say there be. The first control as a form, but still managed to get that goal. And essentially, Madrid needed a difference. They got the difference maker in today. The face of team, my friend FC Real Madrid in our branch friend killing with Tony Mbappe. It's not Gabi Cachero said this season, after all the issues I are running through with Mbappe and the form and what have you, still the numbers are saying a different thing. In the history of Real Madrid, first season, which we are underrating the boy because. I said this season, you ain't sure who ball giddy, but the results have been there. Madrid as a team has struggled, but Mbappe has stood up as one of their difference makers. Apart from after Ivan Zamorano, Cristiano Ronaldo, Ruud van Nistelrooy, now there's killing with Tony Mbappe. And I can't 10 matches just in the league or matches or other competitions more. Otimina goes in the car. I think say Mbappe at the end of the season will be the first Madrid player. Watch it. 38 goals, hopefully.
It was because now Spurs now near the Heno, near the Heno, do no higher Paris Saint Germain. And there be an catch a man for say, look, at Paris Saint Germain, only the face of the team. Yeah. And anytime there are cameras, no. Yeah. But Real Madrid said they're now okay. Game changers
just to share that attention.
Vinicius or Kylian Mbappe to some extent. Rodrigo Zoho. Into there be an attention and conscious. Into maybe an deceive amount for Kakano.
Even the thing is that on average, in all of the seasons are killing Tony Mbappe, a boy, or Paris Saint Germain, no an average of 27, 26 goals per season. It's a married nana as a starts and I say, or could him Kakana Madrid Abanechi and Nana Maniachi, but for Mbappe's performance, he has been absolutely stunning. And Madrid got the difference maker that they didn't. Which Sunday Numri, Madrid that's through. Barca has to reply. And not only Barca need be in command. You see the team say Atletico for up 120 minutes. You against Madrid in the Champions League. Only a very compact. Only mobile adding for you to get results against them. How can we go there and beat them? You're showing the Copa del Rey. How can we go into the league and beat them? Very important game. And Barca before the game started heard the news that they didn't want to hear. Which just before we went into the game, starting lineup by Hans-Dieter Flick say, Frankie de Jong ain't mean started because Oyari Kakra. And into the midfield of the boy Casado, Pedri, and Danny Olmo in the middle of the park. Then people ask, in a match like this, Atletico de Madrid bet nature and compact on Fifi. We have natural ball carriers and good tempo controllers. The experience of Frankie de Jong. Yes, Casado is a bad player. But what Frankie de Jong and the mouse of Kitabon and the bar is different from what Marc Casado will give you. It was a worry, especially for me, who was analyzing the game. We started the game and like saying any needs Atletico Madrid be born a match and Sana ni first 40 minutes. Atletico compact. If FIFA na heading say Barca will break through them. Then consistently, the first proper chance Barca had in the game, in fact, in the first half, about 3 open chances that Barca had. Barca no more saying. Which in 50 seconds, Robert Lewandowski in the 43rd minute, Ekoko ball the crossbar. About crossbar, just 15 minutes of travel. Now let's go to Madrid for via Brent Freno. Julian Alvarez, Alakosha Manako 1-0. Rich. Ohanam see,
heading
1-0. Atletico de Madrid. How are Barca going to come back?
Barca beti. Na second half.
Yeah.
Around 70th minute.
Yeah.
Atletico on that saying a second goal.
Yeah.
That was like,
what is that?
Just
15 minutes into the a few minutes into the first half. And Diego Simeone Julian Alvarez free. And the Alexander Solo by. With the TV nature, I'm saying, how did Diego Simeone change his way? After the game, Diego Simeone betrayed him. Say, Solo, Julian Alvarez not home fan, but he still decided to play. Or this Solo by a pet. I knew, say, with the lineup Barca started with, So Edu Mem that's a solo bar. Barca would need a physicality of Ronaldo Araujo. So you would have to come at certain point in time. Reach in the 70th minute, like you're saying. Then Solo gets the second goal. 2-0. Nah. Atletico show to my own thing. Atletico.
70th
like Obo compact, mid block, Edu maybe not make catch him. Barca here a lot of wide rotations. So make me pull Atletico for the fullbacks out. Then they can rotate central using Danny Olmo because on and on the best player in the house spaces. But Danny Olmo even wasn't getting a good day on the night. Lewandowski until so says I go drop and Barca for me break catch him Lewandowski nyadie. I said, but you see, the thing is that although Lewandowski may not be good consistently, so on has a chance maybe to be a difference maker, he can take it. And that's why most of the times Hans Flick would want him also as an outlet anymore. Reach 2 goals is out. Did you believe Sebastian Betiara?
Never. Me don't say Barcelona bet me at 2-2.
Yeah.
Because quick response from Barcelona.
Yeah. So after 7 minutes.
And I'm say back.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna say back na the best team to say, yeah, more 19 minutes in now 2-2. But so on back to us 3-4.
Yeah.
And there I doubt.
I think that.
And Barca DB.
Yeah.
Say, look, I let you command our defense all lock your mind thing.
Yeah.
By Barcelona, they're unlocking them.
Yeah.
I
want to make a choice. For me, it comes from the job Hansi. I don't think that Hansi Flick Etna say or say the psyche of the master team. I think that we a team that will go through things together because you call Benfica 4-1 was a 2-1. You bet you 5-4. Yabo against Atletico de Madrid, Croatia, El Copa del Rey, Yabetia Shomo. Yabo in the league games, no air coding, Niatia Shomo. It just said they've got two things that they believe say, I don't hear everything. So we can do it. Yes, it was at the Civitas Wanda Metropolitano, a place where it's difficult for Barca to get the results, but the players were there. Right? I think until say Lewandowski share goal, everybody would have said I didn't know in April. Lewandowski gets the goal, Ferran Torres comes on, Barca friend the shark comes on, makes it. Friend is saying. 2-2 then Lamine Yamal and Abrantia friend Ferran Torres over there and Rich Pedri is such an important player for team friend of Barcelona. Bringing in Ferran Torres also was an excellent game plan from coach friend Hans Dieter Flick to have a lot central occupation in Mienu because not Danny Olmo it wasn't picking up in terms of the hold up play. Atletico were good on the night. Rich, I don't know, is it a disappointment to Diego Simeone and I said Barca for one year.
Barca
because Osha first go against Madrid midweek. No matter me bobo, nya chance, no losing the penalties.
I said Barcelona mumu antidote how to unlock Diego Simeone.
Because Diego Simeone
is simple.
Diego Simeone teams. Yeah, Diego Simeone's teams and 1-0, 2-0, 70th minute.
Now the ref Copa del Rey.
Wow.
Yeah, the same thing. Almost say 2-0. Barca bet say 4-2. Asana later be 4-4. It mean I'm say there and so go now Lewandowski share. I think end up Barcelona.
Yeah. I feel the Barca realize that there's something to fight for. Yeah. In the next 10 matches for all of the teams all La Liga meaning why not sure Rich because Madrid or Leganés or Valencia or Alaves or Athletic Club or Getafe or Celta or Barcelona BM or Mallorca or Sevilla and then Sociedad. Barca or Girona, Betis, Leganés, Celta, Mallorca, Valladolid, Real Madrid, Espanyol, then Villarreal, then Athletic Club. Rich, I don't know. I say,
I need to listen.
Still now, no.
Maybe I take one of you on my film.
Atletico, I think 4 points away there. I bet you so
but still now
I be on
Real Madrid and Barcelona will be able to
head to head will be able to We're talking about trophies. Na area so the ABB pa with me start season yes quadruple after the kabako.
Now why Liverpool for? I feel all of us are done so the most prestigious trophy and the EPL as Moboa.
Hey, it's
Liverpool.
You see,
kakran. If you agree to no matter maybe I'm going to lose it.
You see, you see, say Nkofonika say at the end a marathon and a sprinter. This is what they mean, oh. And just in 1 week, 2 weeks, everything that's on a slot in a team Nikitano, I say I sleep here for your son and it's gone. And I keep on asking myself, how did this happen, Barich? The game analysis in Iran say what Anna Slot said after the game. Or say says ball normally Newcastle boy no. Over ball no 10 times and can Newcastle be show 9. Because Newcastle ever ball on ball force Liverpool to play their ball. And you see today in the game of football, and how maximizing strength as a team. Again, Newcastle knew that in this game they had a physical prowess more than Liverpool for. Over midfield 2 of Gravenberch and McAllister, or both with Bruno Guimaraes or Pietro Fifi. They were winning all the area balls, but the real one near bottom. Dan Ben first goal. Far post. Liverpool are good in defending set pieces. Dan Ben is 6'7". You can't defend that. Pam, yes, I heard him. With Kerr imposed. Consistent Liverpool Chelsea game. 2-0. Then until Federico Chiesa comes in. For the history of team and friend of Newcastle, it has been good 70 years since 1955. How much time we drew on Rich? What's Alexander Isak Sikan is saying? 120 now.
Oh, you see them.
The celebration, you know. I said, "Master defenders in your own yard. Or say, "We are not any say when it is a
I wish them go United.
Oh, my senior. I would have 40. Oh, 40 open Ishak.
I wish.
Oh, 40 pay Ishak. Yes, Kasem.
We're a modern day striker.
Correct guy.
Correct guy, Alexander. Now, Fimahawa, no pay.
Okay, meow.
Meba. Mashawa.
So, NKUNKU United, too. And I'm skipping United.
And NKUNKU United.
Okay.
Mashawa, who rested you any now? Then I mean, share them few. Arsenal and Chelsea are book game. Such a big meba.
I don't even score, Sana.
Minimum score. I didn't know.
I'm going to score that. So, oh, baby.
So, buy in a Chelsea share.
Get Chelsea in the decay.
And Kazabi, I feel now going start near the Diaba. Master Diwa, over so ya, no, no, Barcelona and Real Madrid. I knew Castle game now as our time was now. Chairman, Arsenal and Chelsea boy, can you watch him?
That's almost a Chelsea 1-0.
And today,
and I didn't be in America.
You will be about the game. Okay, they don't know no better.
It didn't be in America. Each year you place the prepare.
And today, that's no home players in Bright.
Bomb a solid team.
And you know, crack.
And bomb, that's the second half me, a bomb you could
be on a more serious note. Ebia on the face of the table, Nidia. Ubia Becase, Moya de chain. I didn't bother him.
At face of table, what too much is better. You know what they say now matches. Who's the NBA face of table? But it's starting now. They don't understand.
Table, Oko head ya.
That's the only understanding.
Babu and the boy can say the United. But just my son.
Yes,
Mama edges.
And no edges. And then the whole case.
That's the team
now, Asta, who can teach us against us now?
Asna.
Nasta, you don't know second half.
The ball to a minute.
And you could see saying.
Bruno the ball to a minute.
And you could see saying.
Hi! Me team that is Chelsea. I'm for Chelsea.
Match, you lose in the first 25 minutes now. Because in the first 25 minutes now, I say, no musro, I say players in your through. How to play from the back, as will be a social breaking lines. Which say only Facebook, but I should go now. You consider. Who should go now? In NKUNKU, you didn't know. You see, I've told you guys this thing before. In NKUNKU, no. I don't see the input in the Chelsea team. Also, Besobo, Nicolas Jackson, the pra. Bonache.
Is that me come and give you up on him?
I said it several times. In NKUNKU, Bonache.
What the bench? Obiaso, I am called NKUNKU Mabubi. I ran to you as a ball.
Bonache.
I have quadrupled 2 months. Born I said that Rafael Young saying Munabia.
Chelsea for me, me to pay 70 million for NKUNKU from Bayern. Man, be 20 million on Connie baby. In the summer, let him go. Maybe there, baby, I see but Rich see any more than power top phone. You want the Ankasa because I'm sure match first 25 minutes. Pan come here by TV. you know, Bubu saying, I say, Obi Surona, Unim Yakos Rich to the extent, say, time I mean, say, and then Arsenal and Chelsea are Rich, shot on target, expected goals, touches in opponent box. Jadon Sancho, and one single touch in opponent box, 40-60 from Arsenal. Rich, you game you could do till ender. Wouldn't team Bono Arsenal and catch Renzo Maresca say try harder. Hey, Akomku, wouldn't team Bao Arsenal team.
Okay, team Oba Bessia team by far.
Say try harder.
Try
Enzo Maresca na and could have sit down a second now and can try harder. You know, when you're ready, which you two, when you know that
Manchester United are picking.
When you're ready, which you two, when you know that so many pages,
I pick it.
But ready enough. Now, Vanessa, one money para moching and move Pranazaro. Pejaro, Vanessa and come money pa. I'm watching and I'm moving.
So, Nadi, ever say a catcher less of Fonzo? Coach, no one shared the enemy.
Don't know back.
But the TV last is
We know for that this. I'm going to go to the Google. And I know I wouldn't pass any friend.
What I'm going to be said that. And not the aqua, but no.
Since never, after the celebration, you're ready.
Or more crap and more poop. Shake a bear granny. I can't go via fence. All right. I mean, so now in Chessicanoma, yet for in Shawans 4.5 to say, dear. I mean, just say, yeah, international break.